sets me on fire. Come on and give me some more. Your love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wonder how everybody's week is going, and if you guys have managed to see my previous video. I posted a video this week for my easy makeup transformation. I wonder if you guys like it or not. Let me know if you do, and let me know what you think of this new schedule. So I'm just uploading the videos on Wednesdays and Fridays. I'm gonna start doing it over the weekend as well, but right now it's every Wednesday and every Friday is a new video on my channel. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, and if you are subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that notification bell as well, so every time I'll post a new video you'll get a notification. So today we're gonna learn this, how I come up with this bold wing liner with really bold lips and pretty much neutral eyes. If you want to see how to create this look, just carry on watching this video, and if you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section below and I'm happy to answer. I will see you guys in my next video. Love you all, and thank you so much for your continued support and your continued love. I am overwhelmed with the love I received on my Instagram in last week. It's so nice to see you guys are liking my concept, my work, my looks. So it's really appreciated deep down from my heart. So thank you so much for all your love and support, and I shall see you guys next time. Love you. Bye.
Your love is my desire. Sets me on fire.
Hey guys, so here we go. We're gonna start with the, as usual, with a bit of a skincare, and I'm using a Josie Argan oil to give my skin a bit extra moisture and hydration, because I'm going to use a very matte foundation. To do my brows, I've done Benefit Pro Contour Pen, and I've set them up with my MAC Cosmetics Pro Longwear Concealer. For primer, I'm using my current favorite, which is from Touch and Soul. It's No Pore Primer. And to cover my dark circles, I'm using Benefit's Hydration Concealer, and this is in shade number 3. I like doing this step before I apply my foundation. It's kind of give you color correcting at the same time as well. I don't like to do too much color correcting, like too much orangey stuff, but this works well too. And for my foundation, I'm using my Fenty Beauty foundation. This is a matte foundation, and it's in shade number 220. I absolutely love this foundation. I am not a very big fan of matte foundations, but this particular one is absolutely amazing. It doesn't make my skin go really dry. It still looks super healthy, and the coverage is insane. It just covers everything, like every little flaw in on your face. For the bronzer, I'm using Giorgio Armani's Liquid to Powder bronzer. This is in shade number medium. Now, when I was applying this product, I did notice because this is liquid to powder, it's best if you're doing it on a Fenty foundation or any matte foundation. Apply the product, let it sit for a bit, and then quickly start blending. If you start blending it while it's like too wet or too liquidy, it's gonna give you a really patchy effect. I only noticed this when I started doing it, and I was like, okay, I need to wait. For my concealer, I'm using my MAC Cosmetics Pro Longwear Concealer in number NC40, and I've used the only one concealer this time to just conceal all my all the areas I wanted to highlight or brighten up. And I'm applying this around my mouth too. Now, when you are using a matte foundation, and if you don't use any oil, especially if you have a dry skin, your foundation will tend to settle in fine lines. So the best way to avoid this is either to use a few drops of oil in your foundation, or when you're blending everything, especially your concealer and everything, just where you think you have a more fine lines, go really hard with your beauty blender, so the product actually goes in your skin. To set all my concealer. I'm using MAC Studio Fix powder in shade C3.5. It's the same, is equivalent to NC40, same shade as my concealer. And I'm using the same powder to set everywhere I applied the concealer. To set rest of my face, I'm going to use the RCMA No Color translucent powder. This is extremely good if you have a dry skin, because it doesn't make your skin go really hard or anything, and like, you know, sometimes, or really not hard, tight would be the right word. It's really good setting powder. And I'm setting my eyes at the same time because I'm going to use the same powder to set my eyes too. And I'm using Morphe blending brush to set my eye base. And I also didn't apply any different eye base. I just put whatever concealer I had left as eye base. For bronzing my face or to set my contour, I'm using Hourglass Ambient Lighting bronzing powder, and this is in shade number medium. No, this is in shade light. It's really good. It's not really orangey, it's not really ashy either. It gives you a really nice glow without going too orange. For my blush, I'm using my Guerlain's bronzer blush duo together, and this is in shade medium. One of my favorites. I absolutely love it. Right now I'm a lot into blushes. I really like my cheeks to glow. Like, I really like go very heavy hand with my blush. Now this particular product is from a brand called by Terry, and it's their all over face powder, but with a little bit of a glow. Now this step is totally optional, you don't have to do it. I was just like, I wanted to try this, so I added it in this step. For highlighter, I'm using Doe of Colors Highlighters in shade Mirame. This is the Daisy and Katie collaboration one, and I'm using my Anastasia highlighter brush to highlight my face, and I'm applying this on all the high points of my face or wherever I want to be highlighted. For eyes, I'm using my Zoeva Cosmetics Cocoa Blend eyeshadow palette, and I'm picking up the bone shade from the palette and applying this right underneath my brow bone. This is also going to give me a quick highlight, a brow highlight. Now this shade is matte, so I wanted to do a bit of a matte look on my eye. That's why I just went for all the matte shades. I'm picking up the light brown shade from the same palette as my transition shade and also applying this on the outer V of my eye. Now I'm picking up a cocoa shade from the palette, which is slightly darker than the transition shade, and I'm going to apply this all over my lid. Apart from the right in the inner corner of my eye, I'm just going to leave it empty, like completely blank, and I'm just going back and forward with brushes to make sure there are no harsh lines and everything is looking nice and smooth. For my eyeliner, I'm using my Tarte cosmetic liner. This is the Tarte's Duo eye pencil and liner together, and I'm using this one to create a really bold solid wing liner. And for the mascara, I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I haven't got the footage for the lashes, but I've used Ardell Beauty lashes in style Demi Wispies, and because I applied my lashes right at the end, that's why I don't have any footage. I think I forgot to turn the camera on at that point. For my lipstick, I'm using Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in shade, oh man, this is one of her first range one. I'll write down the exact shade in the description box below. It's I believe it's Venom, I think. Now I have to check it, don't hold me on that, I have to check it. But there it is. And to set everything in place, I'm going to use my NYX Cosmetics matte finish makeup setting spray, and I'm just going to give my face a full, I'm literally going to dump my face with this setting spray because I don't want my makeup to budge at all. Hope you guys like this look. If you have any questions, as usual, leave them in the comment section below, and I'm happy to answer all your questions. Hope you all have a lovely day and you like this video, and I shall see you guys next time, and I probably will be seeing you over the weekend. I love you all. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.